Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a black logo white in Illustrator. Let's begin. Okay, I already create this board with red color. Then hold shift, image trace, 16 colors. Expand and click the direct selection. Outside click white. Style, do not use this. Again click, do not use, apply same process. Okay, then click this black color and double click is click white color. Oh sorry, press Ctrl Z. Click select, first of all select the black color and again double click use white color. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.